Six-sided drill maintenance instructions use Kleber brand butter. Hold special oil. Use a blade to put the butter into the oil gun. Put it in. After filling with butter, tighten the oil gun cover. Push the butter up until it doesn't move. Concentrate on the drill bag here. Add butter. Aim the butter gun at the refueling position of the drill bag. Press 3 到5 times. Press 3 to 5 for all 3 holes. The under-oil drilling bag is also pressed 3 to 5 times. Automatic fuel supply device opening system. Click on manual grease. 1. Lubricating grease. 2. Start automatic fuel supply. If there is a value at the pointer position, it means that oil has been supplied. Triplet automatic drainage. Twist this triplet nut. Automatic drainage when there is water. Valve slide maintenance ready anti-rust oil. Just spray anti-rust oil evenly on the guide rail. Drill bag maintenance on the screen. Spray evenly with anti-rust oil. Then the oil will flow out automatically. The oil will automatically come out here. Maintenance completed.